Most people get this wrong when Swagbucks doesn't credit their points. They assume the platform is broken, immediately contact support, or start repeating offers multiple times hoping the points will magically appear. But here's the truth no one tells you. In many cases, missing points are caused by tracking delays, offer requirements, or account issues that can often be identified and resolved. In this video I'll show you the most common reasons Swagbucks points don't credit in 2026, and the exact steps you should take before panicking. Let's get straight into it. The first thing you need to do is check whether the activity is still pending. Not all Swagbucks rewards are credited instantly. Some surveys, offers, shopping purchases, and partner promotions may take hours, days, or even longer to appear depending on the offer terms. This is where most people fail. They don't read the completion requirements. For example, Jake installs an app through an offer but doesn't complete the required milestone. He expects points immediately and assumes something went wrong. Alex carefully reads the offer details, completes every requirement, and knows exactly when to expect credit. That small difference often determines whether points arrive successfully. Now here's where it gets interesting. Tracking issues are one of the biggest causes of missing points. If cookies are blocked, tracking permissions are disabled, or the offer wasn't launched correctly through the Swagbucks platform, the activity may not register properly. That's why it's important to allow tracking when required, and follow offer instructions exactly. But here's the problem. Many users don't keep proof of completion. Screenshots, confirmation emails, purchase receipts, and completion messages can be extremely valuable if you need to submit a support request later. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to handle a missing credit situation. Before that, make sure you're checking your activity ledger or rewards history. Sometimes points appear as pending before becoming fully available. Now here's the easiest solution. If you've completed all requirements, waited through the stated credit period, and still haven't received your points, gather your evidence and submit a support ticket through the official help system. Provide clear details about the offer, completion date, and any supporting screenshots. This gives the support team the information they need to investigate the issue. Many users skip this step or provide incomplete information, which can slow down the review process. Let's quickly recap. Check whether the activity is pending. Review all offer requirements carefully. Make sure tracking worked correctly. Save proof of completion. Review your activity history. And contact support if the credit period has passed without receiving points. Following these steps can help you resolve most Swagbucks crediting issues in 2026. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more Swagbucks tips and rewards app tutorials, and let me know in the comments what type of offer isn't crediting for you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.